So Ron, what day of the week is it, mate?
Thursday.
Thursday, New Year's Eve?
Well, it's the last day of the year.
Yeah, well that's New Year's Eve, mate. That's how they do it. That's the way it works. You've got your dynamic model here.
Yeah.
Line aside. Oh, Ron, you throw like a girl. You really do, mate. He's doing loops and rolls. Either that or he's forgotten to turn his transmitter on. Beautiful day here in New Zealand. And the last day of 2020. You'll be glad to see the back end of this year. Hopefully 2021 will be better, but I'm not holding my breath. A lot of thermal activity today, so things get thrown around a bit. Things getting thrown around a lot. And again, it's too much lift. There's lift everywhere. Ooh, getting that arrestor grass. Yes! What's that you say, Ron?
It's quite bumpy.
It is, isn't it?
This is getting tossed around a bit.
It's all the thermals, mate. And look at this, the future comes to the field. Neil's got a Tesla and Bill's, you've got an electrically powered vehicle, Bill.
Yep, it's a plug-in.
It's a plug-in.
Plug and play.
And look, we've plugged it in, which is what you do with a plug-in. So he's fueling up while he flies, isn't it fantastic?
Big ones.
Fantastic.
Very big ones.
Ron got this for Christmas. This was Ron's Christmas present from his missus. This is 3D on the thing. I think that's a bit dangerous. I told him to get Gordon to test fly it, but he's going to do it himself.
Oh, good. Just bet you to check those throws.
Ooh, yeah, check the throws, mate.
What's that, Bill?
Test flight. It's
Maiden flight.
It's a Skyhawk.
Skyhawk. Oh, A4?
No.
Oh, okay.
A5.
Right. Where you going, Bill?
Yeah, it's a bit nose heavy.
Yeah, but only in the front.
Up trim.
You're a professional using trim, eh? Bit flash, mate. We don't use trim around here. We fly by the skin of our teeth. Oh, that's motor. Got a bit of a hiccup, eh? Bit of a hiccup in the motor there, mate.
I heard
It's got a dynamo ESC, has it?
Yeah, actually, yes.
Yeah, exactly, yes.
Let's try the rudders out. Oh!
He's got rudders.
Yep. The A-tail. Or V-tail.
Yeah. I think you put that on upside down, to be honest, Bill.
Is that what happened?
I think there's a problem, yes.
Bugger.
The V-tail is definitely upside down. Mind you,
The instructions were poor.
antipodes, you know, down here under, it's probably the right way for us.
Rudders are working. Bit nose heavy.
But you only use the rudders to taxi, don't you? And it's got no wheels, so what's the point in that?
I use the rudders all the time. This is definitely nose heavy. Where's the wind blowing?
Well,
At my back, isn't it?
pretty much anywhere you like. It's not much wind at all. I wouldn't worry too much about wind. Is that a three-bladed prop?
Yep.
Well, they break easy, eh?
Oh, it shouldn't be.
There's always going to be one blade hanging down with a three-blader.
Oh, I don't think the speed controller's happy.
Isn't it? Is it sort of off or on, is it?
Yeah.
You better sell it to Tim. He won't mind. He'll never notice if the speed controller's not linear.
Okay, we'll come in. Where are you?
I'm just here beside you. Where are you?
Are you safe there? No,
I don't know.
definitely not.
No idea where I am. Oh, look at this. You've been practicing landings, Bill. Woo, look at this. Oh, beautiful,
Well, I
mate.
walked too
Gorgeous.
far.
Yes.
Come
Yeah.
on.
Did you bring a packed lunch?
Then cut your throws on your horns down.
No. Put more on. Put more throw.
30.
More throw. You need much more than that, Ron. And reverse expo. That's what you need, isn't it, Bill?
That's 20.
And you want expo about
That's
30.
20.
How much?
20.
Yeah. Reduce the horn.
Oh, it's all right.
Yeah, but you're going to have.
He's got a resolution of 3
I
steps.
was going to say it's only got three. There's not. It's only got. It's very not very linear.
Yeah, not going to be very accurate.
Take this arm here, right, and put it right in there.
Yeah.
The smallest one.
Yeah, take your arm off, Ron.
Hang on.
This arm here will do. Take that arm off. That'll work. You're practicing a landing now, Ron? Is that a landing practice?
Yeah.
Good. Just getting used to seeing the model in the landing attitude. That's important.
Second hole.
Where are we? You have to edit that bit out.
I will. I'll edit that out. No one will ever hear that. So I've got my skateboard today, my DLG, quad, some radios, Bill, everything's here. Everything is here, eh?
You haven't cooked that, buddy.
No, he's good, mate. He knows what he's doing. He's done it all before. Got a slow idle, eh? Getting that drain. Whoa, what's he doing?
More forward than that.
There's a bit of turbulence out there, have you noticed, Bill?
Yep.
Quite a bit of turbulence.
It's to go around.
Yeah, it's like COVID, eh? It's going round. Oh, look at that. Ron,
lovely.
stop showing off! Getting that arrested grass. We safe standing here, Bill?
Absolutely.
What are you saying? No clutch? Oh, no guts.
Cover your battery, mate.
No, it's a very good battery.
Oh.
Well, it's old, Ron. It's very old. That was the one we got for free, wasn't it?
Got a 3-cell.
Calibrate the throttle.
You might give me the models, though.
Yeah.
Did you know these guys?
So, Ron, what encouraged you to get a pink plane?
Where's Pink?
Yeah,
That.
the pink plane of
We were
yours.
watching this thing on TV last night. They said, put the circle where the blue ball stops. And I said, stop down there. And the said, no, it didn't stop in the middle. And it stopped in the middle. I said, what colour was that one? It's purple. I don't know the bloody difference.
So, Ron's colourblind, folks.
My missus bought it for me.
Yeah, it's pink. It's lovely.
Yeah, I don't care what colour it is.
No, of course you wouldn't. See that? Got bokeh. Got bokeh in the background there. Get that with this camera.
It looked like it, eh?
Where's your remote ID, Ron? Where's your remote ID today, mate?
Control. And of course, that full shot of those things. And it just fucking disappeared in the distance, man. Full shot of man.
How'd it go, Ron?
Nitro pylon racer. Just disappeared into the distance. He lost radio control.
Where's the wind?
Well,
It blew away.
probably more here.
Oh, bloody hell.
What's the matter?
I took off before I was ready.
Is it flying all right? It's a shame. This won't be a money shot, eh? Well, maybe it could be.
Oh.
You do it again, but lower.
A tip stall.
We safe standing here, Ron?
Yeah.
Good. Nice to know.
Is the stabiliser off now?
I don't know.
Well, it must be to let you do that sort of thing.
No, it might just be a rate stabiliser, not a self-levelling one, or a limited bank sort of thing. No, probably.
Stabiliser off there. Bloody flies.
Yeah, it does bloody fly well too. It's got plenty of power for sure. It was crap. It was terribly crap.
You only need 1 metre of runway.
Do you want those tip stool things again? That was really good. Look at this. He's showing his age, eh? The smooth landings.
Just to prove it wasn't a fluke.
Just means you're lucky twice in a row.
Props not the heaviest bit on it.
How am I supposed to follow that? That's terrible. It's very rough flying, Bill.
Absolutely. I noticed your video, I guess that's what. All the power out of that T-cell pack.
She's ripping, mate. She's ripping. Does it thermal? Does it glide, or is it just one of those small windowless buildings when you take the power off?
Something like that. Yeah. In the glide. There's no wind, so. Just stand out in front of me and I'll give you a slow, fast fly. A very close flyby.
High speed pass. I know you and your high speed pass. A sudden gust of wind will come in and I'll be... Got unlimited vertical in the downward direction. Well, only interrupted by the ground.
Rubbish shit though.
Oh, it looks like it. I notice the retracts don't work either. There'll be no taxiing this back. Get in that sandal.
I don't even know if I've got it in the hand.
Oh, you said that to all the girls, Ron? Yeah. So, what do you think, Ron?
Oh, it's good. I'll be king receiver.
Do you like it?
What did you have to bind that as?
Do you want one?
Free Sky.
It's a Spectrum.
FR
Sky.
Free Sky. No, FR Sky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, Fly Sky.
Fly Sky.
Oh, it's so confusing, isn't it?
Yeah, whatever.
Sky, this, that,
Fly
and the
Sky.
other.
Fly Sky, what one?
A2.
A2.
I'll show it to you if you want.
Yeah, we'll show it to you, mate.
Because I've got each.
You show him yours though, Ron. If he's going to show you his, it's only fair. So Bill's going to fly the big, powerful Mustang now. Have you swapped that petrol motor out for something smaller? There she is. Look at that. That's beautiful. Yeah, Ron, because you're one of these newfangled kids on the block in new flow mode too.
I used to be mode one.
Yeah, but
I
you did
just
it now,
changed
eh?
with the times.
Yeah, you do. We're just stuck in the past, right? Bill and I. We're so old school. Here we are, blue skies. Well, there's some cloud in there, but it's finally summer. I've said this before, but I'm going to say it again at the risk of being wrong. Summer seems to have almost arrived. Still cold in the mornings, but at least it's warm in the afternoons. Hey Ron, what do you have to say to our viewers for the last video of 2020?
Yeah, good. Hey.
You glad it's the last one?
Yeah. Next year's COVID free.
Oh, no charge for the COVID.
Hey?
You're not going to charge for COVID?
No.
It's all free, you throw it in. Yeah, so Bill, any interesting words you've got to say? We're united, didn't I see you in the honours list?
Strange year.
You were in the honours list, weren't you, Ron? Didn't I see your face there? Yeah. What do you got?
Sir Ron now.
Knight Order of the Bath or something?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. For my contribution to humanity.
Yeah.
Or insanity.
What was the sentence for that? So that's it. That's our end of 2020, really. It's no wind, Bill.
It's gusting from this way.
Disgusting wind. There it goes. So that's the end of 2020 from us. And we'll be back tomorrow in 2021 because we are a day ahead of the rest of the world, aren't we, Ron?
Yeah.
It's already New Year's Eve here.
If somebody wants to send us $10, we'll give them tomorrow's lotto results.
Yeah, I've told them that. And if, I don't know, I've got nothing. I've forgotten I'm old.
Yeah.
It's terrible when that happens. Just ask Bill, he'll tell you. He knows all about old.
Yep, I know all about old.
He's got a degree in old.
Yep. Oh.
Look at that plane. Look at it go. Look at that plane fly. That's fantastic. I can't see it anymore.